Good night, teacher and classmate. This is my video about the colors of natural, with main ideas of key points are for me, the colors have a specific role in the natural. The animals can perceive colors that humans can't. That any color in any of the hues can be found in the natural. The color play a major role on the survival of some species, and color is the result of light becoming flesh on pigment. The color in animals can be used for camouflage or to stand up, depending on the animal's needs. The coloration is inherited through most of the time and is due to presence of pigment in their hair, feathers or hairs. And it can be categorized depending on the function it serves the animals. For example, some categories include cryptic, countershaded, asymmetric, chromatic responsive, polymorphism, and iridescence. The rainbow thousand and sources are other examples of the presence of color in the nature. Light gets started by particles in the atmosphere to create this phenomenon. All plants show the effects of pigmentation with chlorophyll, but with flowers stand out because of the bright colors created by the same chlorophyll, carotenoids, and anthocyanins. The color plays an important role in our natural environment. In some cases, such as animals and plants, coloration performs a major role in their biological function. In other cases, such as rainbows, sunsets and sunsets, it trades the light of physical radiant light, scattering light waves. In conclusion, one can only see colors and admire them superficially, but is their function in order so they become a very important element in the balance of the natural. Thank you.